All right, so I'm just in the backyard today. It's a beautiful, windy Sunday afternoon, and I'm working on my memorial garden, and I have some great roses, but some eucalyptus here, and I have some right there. I have some questions, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to come to my friends on YouTube and see if anyone here knows what is going on. So let me show you a close-up of what is happening with two of my plants, and I can see if maybe you can help me. Okay, here we go. Okay, so the entire bed is a little bit of a mess right now, but what I have going on here, you can see here's a eucalyptus. I have a peach rose, another beautiful eucalyptus plant. Look, I mean, they need a little water right now, but they're doing really good. Some drift roses. And then here, I have 2 of my 5 eucalyptus plants. I have a question. Okay, so it's looking really good here, but then there's an entire shoot that is a totally different color. Okay, give me a second here. I've got a kid. Just a little watering for us, but I can't show you his old business because he's not wearing his swimsuit. Anyway, so this is the plant, okay? What is up with that, all right? I know I need water over here, and you can see this one too. So there's this healthy branch, and then there's this branch that is a little bit, I don't know, I would normally say that looks overwatered, but maybe it's underwatered. And then there's another healthy branch over here, total new growth, but it's just this color. So, okay, we got more watering happening here. Good job, buddy. These are all, what are they? I forget what they're called right now. Carnations, right, buddy?
Yep.
Yep. Okay, I'm going to be quick before my watering man comes back again and interrupts for the 8th time. So this is, I have 2 of these plants, and I'm wondering if you know why this growth is coming in this color. My one hypothesis, I can't find anything on the internet, my one hypothesis is that this is completely new growth this year, and that the rest of these are plants or branches from last year's growth. And that's why they're that color. So that could be, that's my only hypothesis for what could possibly be going on with these. So if you know, drop me a comment below and help some other people out who are looking for the same answer. All right, thanks so much. Keep growing, friends.